This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or
This is the Market Wrap on a Tuesday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. Retail sales fell 0.4% in December. That's the first decline in 6 months. Most retail sectors reported falling sales in December. Sales at all U.S. businesses increased 1.6% in November. That's the strongest growth since the 1.8% gain back in March. Inventories increased 0.4% in November as anticipated. Producer prices fell 0.1% in December as energy prices declined and food prices gained. Wholesale energy prices fell 1.9% in December after hitting record growth the previous month. The Empire State Index fell to 9.0 from 9.8, indicating little change in overall conditions. President Bush urging OPEC nations to put more oil on the world market and warned that soaring prices could cause an economic slowdown in the U.S. The president spoke to reporters before meeting with Saudi King Abdullah. The kingdom's oil minister said Saudi Arabia will raise oil production only when the market justifies it. Delta Airlines has opened merger talks with Northwest and UAL Corp in hopes it can close a deal over the next couple of weeks. News reports say Delta's board gave Chief Executive Richard Anderson permission to begin simultaneous discussions with both airlines. Citigroup secured $12.5 billion in much-needed cash and slashed its dividend as a huge drop in the value of its mortgage holdings sent its first quarterly loss in 16 years. The nation's largest bank said the value of its mortgage portfolio fell by $18.1 billion. Merrill Lynch said that it is getting a cash infusion of $6.6 billion from 3 foreign investment funds. All will be passive investors and none will have any rights of control. And the dollar approached a record low versus the euro, touched the weakest point since 2005 against the yen after U.S. retail sales reportedly fell in December. Some of the scheduled economic reports coming out on Wednesday include the CPI, Consumer Price Index, Industrial Production, Capacity Utilization, the Home Builders Index, and the Fed Beige Book. In earnings news today, State Street said fourth quarter earnings fell 28%. Net income dropped to $223 million or 57 cents a share. Forest Laboratories said its fiscal third quarter profit rose 20.6%. Company earned $301.8 million or 96 cents a share. Genentech earnings $632 million or 59 cents a share during the 3 months ended December 31st, compared with a profit of 55 cents during the same period a year ago. Revenue rose to $2.97 billion from $2.71 billion. Scheduled earnings on Wednesday: Logitech International, AMR Corp, Wells Fargo, JP Morgan Chase, and Kinder Morgan on the marquees. Stocks in the news today: Applied Materials plans to cut about 1,000 jobs, or about 7% of its staff, following a reorganization of its semiconductor business this summer. Tenet Healthcare was upgraded to buy from hold with a $6 price target at Deutsche Bank. Nokia said it may cut 2,300 jobs in Germany as it stops making mobile phones in Europe's largest economy. And that is the Market Wrap on this Tuesday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.